I'm David Wesley Hill. There have been two sides to my life. The first side of my life is as a science fiction writer. I've been writing science fiction, fantasy, and horror for close to 50 years. I'm here in Chengdu now to celebrate the World Convention of Science Fiction. This is my third time in Chengdu. The first time was in 1997, after the publication of my famous story, The Curtain Falls, in Science Fiction World magazine. The second time I was in Chengdu was in 2007 for the International Conference of Science Fiction and Fantasy. And now I'm here again, and I'm looking forward to it. The other side of my life is I'm a professional chef. I was a chef for more than 20 years, but today I'm not here to cook. I'm here to taste authentic Sichuan cuisine, my favorite. Is a little bit different for American flavor. But it has that beautiful bean paste, spicy, salty. I'm going to gain 10 pounds while I'm in Chengdu. I'm sure of it. When I get home, I'll have to go on a diet and lose weight. Here I am in Pidu District. It's the home of the World Science Fiction Convention and also the home of Sichuan bean paste. And I'm going to go inside to this museum and learn how this wonderful condiment is made. Here's where the magic happens. Using techniques hundreds, if not thousands of years old. The beans, they're kept in these vats that you see. They're stirred, they're covered, they're exposed to the sun, allowing a fermentation process to proceed, resulting in the beautiful taste that we're all familiar with. This museum is dedicated to displaying the Chinese intangible cultural heritage of creating this wonderful condiment of Sichuan bean paste. It displays all the steps that have been passed down from generation to generation to creating this delicious dish. As a chef, I love cooking Sichuan food at home. My problem is it's very hard to get authentic Sichuan bean paste in rural North Carolina. That's why I'm so glad I came here. And furthermore, I'm gonna get some of the 5-year paste, some of the best paste I can get, and I'm gonna take it home and I'm gonna cook some mapo tofu that'll knock your socks off. Sir, could I please have a small bottle of the 5-year paste? Thank you. You're a star. Thank you. Yeah, yes. The Science Fiction World this year, I believe, published 4 of my newer stories, and I got invited to come here again, and that's great.
我是1997年第一次见到了大卫·赫尔，然后之前我也读过他的《天幕坠落》， 当时他给我签了名，我一直珍藏着那个签名本，过了26年了，真的很感慨。
Hi, I'm David Wesley Hill. I've been many things in my life. I've been a chef, and I've been a writer. I've been a gardener. I've been a fisherman. I've worked with my hands, and I've programmed computers. All of these things make up the person I am today, and they've actually all have contributed to my stories that I create. Okay.
He's nice. I think he's nice. He's really kind. I haven't met a writer who is kind as him.
When the Curtain Fall was published, I haven't been born yet, but this work is really special to me.
This has been a wonderful experience that I will cherish and remember for the rest of my life. Every time I come to China for a convention, it gets bigger and better, and this is the best convention yet. Seeing all these young science fiction writers inspires me to pick up my pen again and finish my novel. I have a science fiction novel almost finished, and I'd love to see it published in China. I want to be a chef, I want to be a writer. I want both. Can be fulfilling and simple at the same time. As a matter of fact, for some people, the simpler life is, the more fulfilling it is for them. Myself, I'm happy growing my own vegetables, brewing my own beer, going out into my garden and cooking my dinner with vegetables that I grew myself. That's very simple, but it's tremendously fulfilling. Life can be a nightmare. We can make it a nightmare, or we can make it a wonderful dream. It depends upon us and what we do in our lives. And that is why I say dream better dreams, because the future is still a dream, so make it a good one.